Creating a Solana wallet involves choosing a wallet provider, setting up the wallet, and securing your private keys. Here's how to create a Solana wallet. Choose a wallet provider. Research and choose a reputable Solana wallet provider. Popular options include Solid, Phantom, and Solflare. Access the wallet interface. Visit the website or download the mobile app of your chosen wallet provider. Create an account or open the app to access the wallet interface. Create a new wallet. Follow the instructions provided by the wallet provider to create a new Solana wallet. This typically involves choosing a strong password and generating a new wallet address. Secure your private keys. Safeguard your private keys, which grant access to your Solana funds. Write down your recovery seed phrase and store it in a safe place offline. Never share your private keys or recovery phrase with anyone. Back up your wallet. Back up your wallet by securely storing your recovery seed phrase. This allows you to recover your funds if you lose access to your wallet. Explore wallet features. Familiarize yourself with the features of your Solana wallet, such as sending and receiving SOL tokens, accessing decentralized applications, and managing your token holdings.